Welcome to the captivating world of reclaimed horseshoe decor, where creativity meets sustainability to transform humble materials into stunning home accents. This exciting journey seeks to inspire you with innovative ideas that not only beautify living spaces but also embrace eco-friendly practices. As we delve into the artistry of upcycling, you will discover how horseshoes, once regarded as mere functional items, can be reinvented as bold statements that reflect individuality and style. Our mission is to ignite your imagination, providing insights on how to turn reclaimed horseshoes into unique pieces that resonate with both personal expression and environmental consciousness. In exploring this creative endeavor, we will cover various aspects of sourcing, designing, and marketing reclaimed horseshoe decor. From understanding the importance of material sourcing to the intricacies of crafting unique items, each step of the process offers opportunities for innovation and entrepreneurship. By infusing your designs with stories and connections to the past, you can create products that not only serve aesthetic purposes but also carry profound meaning. Join us as we journey through the exhilarating possibilities that arise from transforming reclaimed horseshoes into statement pieces, elevating both your creative skills and your business potential in a thriving marketplace. If you've enjoyed our journey into the transformative world of reclaimed horseshoe decor, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content that celebrates creativity and sustainability. We invite you to like this video, as your support helps us reach a wider audience eager to explore innovative decor solutions. Don't forget to share this with friends and family who might appreciate these unique design ideas. Stay with us until the end of the video, where we'll reveal expert tips and tricks that will empower you to craft your very own statement pieces, enriching your home while honoring the spirit of recycling and artistry. Your engagement not only encourages us but also fosters a community passionate about craftsmanship and environmental stewardship. So, let's dive deeper together. The journey begins with sourcing reclaimed horseshoes. Many individuals and businesses have access to discarded or outdated horseshoes that are no longer in use. Local farms, equestrian centers, and blacksmith shops are great places to start. Establishing relationships with these sources not only secures a steady supply of materials but also fosters a community connection. By emphasizing sustainability and recycling, you can create a unique brand identity centered around eco-friendly practices. This focus on sourcing can enhance your marketing narrative, attracting customers who prioritize environmental consciousness. Once you have your horseshoes, the design phase is crucial. Consider various styles that can appeal to different customer bases. From rustic farmhouse aesthetics to modern minimalist designs, the versatility of horseshoes allows for a wide range of interpretations. You might consider crafting items that serve both functional and decorative purposes, combining art with usability. This way, you can cater to a broader audience, from those seeking artistic statement pieces for their homes to practical decor solutions that fit everyday living. The craftsmanship involved in transforming horseshoes into home decor is fundamental to the final product's success. Employing various techniques, such as welding, painting, or embellishing with other materials, can elevate the finished items. Workshops or classes can be established to not only share these techniques with others but also serve as an additional revenue stream. By teaching others how to work with reclaimed horseshoes, you empower them to explore their creativity while building a community around shared values of sustainability and craftsmanship. In today's digital marketplace, an online presence is indispensable. Develop a visually appealing website and leverage social media platforms to showcase your creations. Regularly engaging with potential customers through captivating visuals and storytelling can help build a loyal following. Offering behind-the-scenes glimpses into your design process or sharing success stories from customers can enhance your connection with them. Building an online community invites feedback and suggestions, fostering an environment of collaboration that can inspire new product ideas. Participating in local artisan fairs and markets can provide invaluable exposure. Setting up a booth allows prospective customers to physically interact with your products. This tactile experience can significantly increase interest and sales. Additionally, these events often attract individuals who appreciate handmade and unique items, which aligns perfectly with the ethos of using reclaimed materials. Interacting with customers in person also allows you to gather immediate feedback, which can be pivotal in refining your offerings. Partnering with other local artisans and businesses can amplify your reach. Collaborations may include joint workshops, co-hosted events, or cross-promotional marketing efforts. By aligning with complementary brands or artisans, you can tap into each other's customer bases, creating a mutually beneficial ecosystem. This collaborative spirit not only fosters community ties but also enhances the creative process, leading to innovative ideas that blend different artistic perspectives. Each piece crafted from reclaimed horseshoes carries a unique story. Emphasizing this narrative can add immense value to your products. Educate your customers about the history of the materials used, the inspiration behind each design, and the sustainable practices employed in your business model. This approach not only enriches the customer experience but also positions your brand as one that values craftsmanship and environmental responsibility. Connecting with customers on an emotional level can lead to increased loyalty and word-of-mouth referrals. Building relationships with interior designers can open new avenues for business. Designers often seek unique decor items to complement their projects, and reclaimed horseshoe products can provide distinctive touches to their designs. Regularly creating samples or collaborating on showcase projects can help establish these connections. Offering exclusive designs or customization options for designer clients can further solidify these partnerships, ensuring a steady stream of orders and collaborative opportunities. Staying attuned to market trends and customer preferences is essential for sustainable growth. Regularly conducting market research or exploring emerging design trends can inform your product development. Engaging with customer feedback and observing competitors can provide insights into new opportunities. This proactive approach allows for adaptability, ensuring your business remains relevant in an ever-changing market landscape. By being aware of trends, you can continue to innovate and meet the evolving demands of your customers while expanding your business horizons. Thank you so much for watching our video. We truly appreciate your time and hope you found inspiration in our exploration of reclaimed horseshoe decor. If you enjoyed what you saw, please consider subscribing to our channel for more creative ideas and tips that celebrate sustainable living and craftsmanship. Don't forget to like the video if it resonated with you, as it helps us reach more viewers who share our passion for innovative design. Sharing this content with friends and family can also spread the word about these unique home decor possibilities, creating a community of like-minded individuals. We're excited to continue this journey with you, so stay connected for more amazing content ahead.